Hi, Nick Schulberger here from B Media Production to take you through our new Business in Focus and Tax in Focus audio app for accountants. Now what you can see here is the home screen when you first load the app. The first thing you need to do if you're a subscriber is click on the bottom right-hand button which says Settings. That takes you into the settings page where you can log in by clicking the login button up the top. This is the same login details you use to access our website. If you don't know what they are, you can contact us via our website, or if you know your login but not your password, there's a forgot password on the bottom of this page. But for now, I'll log in. And my password. And what you can see there is it now says log out, and you can see the BIF and TIF end dates for this subscription. Other things to note here, if you want to be able to use mobile data rather than just Wi-Fi to listen to the audio, you can click the use mobile data box. And also the box above that is an auto download button, which I'll tick as well. This means that when a new program gets released each month, it'll automatically get downloaded onto your device. Now, I'll go show you how the BIF audio works first. So click on the bottom left-hand button that says BIF for Business in Focus. And what you can see here is the monthly editions of the program, and you can scroll down to previous editions. What I'll do first is go into the June edition by clicking the arrow up the top. And now you can see each of the interviews on the June edition of Business in Focus. And you can click the play button, and I'll do that just for the first one.
Business in Focus is produced by B Media Production Proprietary Limited.
I've just pressed pause on the little strip player down the bottom. That appears every time an audio is playing. And if you click the now playing down on that orange strip down the bottom, it'll pop up and you can fast forward and rewind 15 seconds and see other information about the audio. So I'll just press the now playing again to close that. And you can also close that strip from the little X on that strip. Each of the play buttons has a little arrow beneath it. What that means is if you press that arrow, I'll do that for the first one, it's going to download the audio onto your device. And that means that if you want to use it on an aeroplane or when you're not in Wi-Fi, that now means that when you press that play button above the rubbish bin, it will be playing it from your device rather than streaming over the internet. Exactly the same happens with TIF. So I'll press the TIF button down the bottom, which takes me to Tax in Focus. Again, you can see all the months. If I go into June, you can see the audios. If there's a more button, you can extend that out to see more information about each track. And again, I can press the download button to download it. That first one, the arrow is filling up and will turn into a rubbish bin when it's downloaded. The other thing to note, up the very top right-hand corner, there's a link to Extras booklet, which allows you to view the Extras booklet that gets printed with a CD each month. And just beneath that, there's a Download All button. If I click that, I'll do that now, that's going to download all of the interviews for that month. So as you'll see, all the interviews for June, all those little arrows are now turning into rubbish bins, and they'll all download one after another. If you want to remove that audio from your device, you can either click the rubbish bin, which I'll do on the second one there, and that immediately deletes it, or you can go into Settings, and there's a button about halfway down the screen there that says Remove All Downloaded Audio. And if I click that, that's going to remove all audio from my device. The other thing you can do is click Log Out from this screen. And if you're not a subscriber, and I return back to the audio pages, what you'll see there is a preview rather than the full interview. So if you're listening to this and you're not a subscriber, return to the settings page, click Log In, and you'll see a link there to become a subscriber. We hope you enjoy listening to Business in Focus and Tax in Focus via our app. And if you have any questions or feedback for the app, you can go to our website at accounting.audio, and we'd love to hear your feedback.